I want to show you how you can earn more money. It's nothing new, it's not some MLM, you don't have to invest anything. I just want to encourage you on a change in perspective and how you can earn more money. So today I want to show you by just tilting your perspective a little bit how you can earn more money. All right. And you should always start with whatever you have and whatever your income is right now, that's where you should start. And the one change I would encourage you to make is to see yourself as a business instead of just an employee. All right. So you're going to see yourself as You Inc. This is you. I'm out of the picture, but this is you. That's You Incorporated. And you're probably seeing it in reverse. I don't know how to fix this thing. All right. You're incorporated and you have a client, and this client is your job, client one. And the people at your job, they pay your salary, that's your active income, and they pay you every month, and that's your one client. And when you start thinking of yourself as a business, and as a business, in my business, if I need more money, there's no boss to ask for a raise. I got to go look for more clients, and that's what you have to do as well. If you don't look for more clients, then you're going to ask your one and only client for a raise. And now this is very, very difficult to do in the climate that we're in South Africa. Job shedding, water shedding, load shedding, everything is being shed. And to ask your boss for a raise without the equivalent productivity exchange is very, very difficult. All right. Unfortunately, a lot of unemployed people, easy to switch employers around. I know, not nice to think about or talk about, but this is the reality of how we're living in South Africa. All right. So instead of asking your one and only client for a raise, now you're going to get another client. All right. So client two. All right. So let's say you're a baker. Here, you're working in a bakery, whether you're in a franchise or you're in a grocery store. The bakery is giving you your primary income. So now you're going to get a second income and you're going to get some other clients. Maybe you specialize, you only do toddler birthdays or toddler cupcakes or Valentine's or some kind of niche audience that you're serving, and you do this on your off days, you do this on the weekend. Now you've just increased your income using the very same skill that you have, because the skill is with you, it's in your head, it's in your hands. Your hands are and your head are the two things that are being creative to generate you an income. All right. So if you need more money, these two clients are not able to meet your expenses, can't pay your bills with the income from these two clients, you need another client. Client three. What can you do here? You can teach people. Now I'm on a video, I'm teaching you about money and how to think differently. I may not be getting paid. All right. There's other ways that I choose to get paid, but you can choose to get paid here. You can teach people your skill, have baking classes, do online videos. YouTube will pay you for videos, and TikTok will probably pay you for videos as well. Again, I do not know how that all works, but this is what you can do. One-on-one classes, do video classes, create specialized niche videos you can sell online, set up an e-commerce store where the videos can be hosted. You can, even if you don't know how to do that, it's too technical for you, you used a third-party company, something like Gumroad. You literally upload your video in there, you put a price, and Gumroad does everything. When people are ready to buy, you just share the link, they purchase, they access your videos, they access your recipe book, and you get paid. All right, so you got to think outside the box. You can't be actively working for income all the time. It's 2024. The way your parents and your grandparents lived and retired, those days are gone. All right. One income doesn't cut it. It doesn't cut it for doctors, doesn't cut it for lawyers. It's not going to cut it for average people like us. You got to get multiple incomes, work with what you have. And ideally, when you're getting this, right, maybe your one client is just enough to cover your bills. And once you get your second client, your third client, now you take the profits from there, you expand a little, and then every month take 10%, 20% away, start investing. That's how you snowball your money. Okay, those days of having one job and complaining that this you're not getting a raise, the price of this and that is increasing, yeah, and it's not gonna stop until you think differently. All right, it's just a simple change in perspective. So this is a concept that I use in my own business. I learned it a few years ago from Daniel Lapin. He's a Jewish rabbi, and he's actually born in South Africa. He left South Africa about 30 years ago. He's living in the United States right now. He's known as America's rabbi. And he was my keynote speaker for a virtual financial summit that I hosted a couple of years ago. So if you go to my YouTube channel, Financially Fabulous Females, and search for Rabbi Lapin, you're going to find all his videos there. He has written some amazing books, the 10 Commandments of business, Bible-based business that he teaches, and some great concepts, a lot of which I use in my own business, and it makes so much sense, very practical, whether you're somebody who follows the Bible or not. So go check it out. It's free. Yes, I do get paid on YouTube when you watch those videos, but I also need multiple incomes as well. All right, so thanks for watching. Share the video, share the stream. Hopefully we can help other people, help them realize, just shift your perspective just a little and learn how to survive, because things are only going to get more difficult. We're in an election year. And even if we get a new party, new regime, it's not going to take one election cycle or two election cycles to undo the damage and rebuild correctly what's already been done. Maybe it's not going to even be done in our lifetime, and you can't sit and wait for politicians to fix it for you. You got to take control of yourself. So if there are no questions for me, I know I owed some people answers from my last session about money and retirement. Okay, go. No questions. All right, I hope you got value today, and we'll do another one soon. Have a good evening.